Hi young friends, in part 1 we have studied about introduction and trigonometric ratios. Today in part 2 we are going to solve some problems based on trigonometric ratios. So friends, let's start. See, in example 2, if angle B and angle Q are acute angle such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B and angle Q are equal. So what given? In given B angle and Q angle are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q. Now we have to prove angle B is equal to angle Q. First, we have to consider two right angle triangle such that sin B is equal to sin Q. So, let us consider two right angle triangle ABC and triangle PQR, where sin B is equal to sin Q. Sin B is equal to sin Q. In right angle triangle ABC, sin B is equal to AC by AB. You know P is here AC, B base BC and AB H. So you know sin theta is equal to P by H. So sin B is equal to AC by AB. Similarly, sin Q is equal to PR by PQ. For angle Q, here P perpendicular P is your PR, hypotenuse PQ, and RQ is your base. So P by H, here P is PR and H is PQ. So sin Q is equal to P by H, that is PR by PQ. Okay. So here sin B is equal to sin Q given. So sin B we have SC by AB. So you write SC by AB, and you know sin Q is equal to PR by PQ. So you write here PR by PQ in the place of sin Q. Now you interchange A, B and PR. Okay, then you get SC by PR is equal to AB by PQ, that is we say alternando. Okay, this is called alternando. Okay, so here we got what? SC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to K. You assume K. Okay. Then SC by PR is equal to K. We can write AB by PQ is equal to K. We can write okay separately. So here SC by PR is equal to K. AB by PQ is equal to K. So SC is equal to K into PR, AB is equal to K into PQ. Okay. See, in right angle triangle ABC and in right angle triangle PQR, now we use Pythagoras theorem and we get what? From figure number 1, that is ABC right angle triangle. From figure 1 we can write using Pythagoras theorem b BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square, and BC is equal to AB square minus AC square under root. Okay, now you write in the place of AB K into PQ, and in the place of AC you write K dot PR. Okay, K into PR. So you write here. Okay, then you know the AB whole to the power n, that is equal to a to the power n into b to the power n. So you can write here k square pq square minus k square pr square under root, and then you take common k square as common, then you get k square bracket start pq square minus pr square bracket end, then under root. Okay, then you can write k square under root, then pq square minus pr square you can write. Okay, as you know AB under root, when AB are both positive, then A P. Okay, we can write. So here we can write k square under root and pq square minus pr square under root, multiplication of them. So here k square you know k, and then pq square minus pr square. Okay, so you can write here BC is equal to k square root pq square minus pr square. Okay, so from figure 1 we got this much. BC is equal to k into pq square minus pr square, then root over of. Then similarly we can write from figure 2 what? Now rq square is equal to pq square minus pr square, and rq is equal to pq square minus pr square. Okay, so here rq is equal to pq square minus pr square under root. Okay, now you find the ratio of BC and RQ, that is BC by RQ you find. See here BC by RQ, BC you know this much and PQ this much, so here cancel H, they are equal. PQ square minus PR square under root you cancel, then you get K. So BC by RQ is equal to K. Okay, so give it equation 2, and the equation 1 is your AC by PR is equal to AB by PQ is equal to K. This is your equation 1 we got. Okay, now it is also K, the ratios are equal to K. So here from equation 2 also we are getting K, so this is equal to this. Okay, so we can write now AB by PQ is equal to SC by PR is equal to BC by RQ. Okay, and we know as per SSS similarity criterion, if in two triangles sides of one triangle are proportional to the side of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal. Hence, the two triangles are similar. So, as their corresponding sides are proportional, so we can write now triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and as they become similar to each other, so you can write now their corresponding angles are equal. So B angle equal to Q angle, A angle is equal to P angle, and C angle is equal to R angle. Okay. So if sin B is equal to sin Q, then we can write angle V is equal to angle Q, where B angle and Q angle are acute angle. So proved. Okay. Next, C. Example 3. Consider triangle ACB right angle at C, right angle at C, ACB right angle at C, in which AB is equal to 29 unit, BC is equal to 21 unit, and ABC angle is your theta angle. Then determine the values of cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, first we have to find the length of AC. Then we find the trigonometric ratios like cos theta and sin theta. After that, we can find this cos square theta plus sin square theta and cos square theta minus sin square theta. So first we find AC, this side AC. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find AC. Okay. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write AC square is equal to AB square minus BC square, and AC is equal to what? AB square minus BC square under root. And you know AB is here 29 unit and BC is here 21 unit. So 29 square minus 21 square under root. Okay, and you know A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So you can write now here 29 plus 21 into 29 minus 21 under root, and AC is equal to now, you know, 29 plus 21 is equal to 50, and 29 minus 21 is equal to 8, and under root, and you multiply 50 into 8, that is 400. So square root of 400 is your 20. So we got AC is equal to 20 unit. Okay. C. AC 20 unit, BC 21 unit, AB 29 unit. And now we got the three sides of a triangle, and now we can find cos theta and sin theta. And you know cos B by H, here B is your BC and P, AC, AB hypotenuse. Okay, so B by H means BC by AB, that is equal to 21 by 29. Similarly, we get sin theta, that is P by H. Here P is SC by AB, that is equal to 20 by 29. Okay. Now you put cos theta and sin theta. Okay. Here you know that cos square theta is equal to cos theta whole square, you can write. So in the place of cos theta you can write 21 by 29. Okay, so 21 by 29 whole square, plus here you can write 20 by 29 whole square. Okay, and a by b whole to the power n, then you can write a to the power n by b to the power n. Yes or no? Yes. So here you find 21 square by 29 square, you get 441 by 841. Okay. So here 441 by 841. Similarly, you can write 20 square 400 and 29 square 841. Now take LCM 841 and you add 441 plus 400 and then you get 841 by 841. You cancel them, you get 1. Okay. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, you can find here cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos theta 21 by 29, so whole square. Okay, and sin theta 20 by 29, so 20 by 29 whole square, and you get this much 441 by 841 minus 400 by 841, and then you subtract these two fraction, then you get how much? Now 41 by 841. So your answer is 41 by 841. Okay, second. Next, see example 4. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 given, then verify that 2 sin A into cos A is equal to 1. This we have to prove. Okay. So here for angle A, tan A is equal to 1 here given. So P is here BC perpendicular, AB base and AC hypotenuse. So tan A P by B. So P here BC by AB. Okay. Then you can write BC is equal to what? AB. Why? 1 into AB is equal to what? AB. So BC is equal to AB. Now you consider X. BC is equal to AB is equal to X, you say. Now you find AC. So using Pythagoras theorem we get AC. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC is equal to, we can write AB X, so X square. BC also X, so BC square is equal to X square. So X square plus X square 2x square under root. So you now find 2x square under root. SC equal to 2x square under root, that is root 2 x under x square under root, then root 2, here you get x, so root 2 x. So x is your, sorry, SC is equal to root 2 x. Now you see AB equal to BC x, SC equal to root 2 x. Now we take LHS, that is 2 into sin A into cos A, and we have to show this is equal to 1. Okay. So here you see sin A. Here in triangle ABC, P is your BC, B AB, and H SC. So sin A, you know P by what? H. P by H. So P is here BC by SC. Okay. Similarly cos A, what? Cos A is here B by H. So B, here B is AB, H is SC. So AB by SC. Now you put value, then we get 2 into x by BC x, SC root 2x, and AB x, SC root 2x. Okay. Now you cancel x, then we have 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Okay. So 2 into, you know, root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. So you multiply 2 into here root 2 into root 2, 2, and 1 into 1, 1. So 1 by 2. Okay. So we have 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, then we get 1 is equal to RHS, that is 1. Okay. See last example, example 5. In triangle OPQ, right angle at P, right angle at P, OP equal to 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Then determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. Okay. So here you see OP is equal to 7 centimeter, OQ minus PQ equal to 1 given. Okay. So here this one side is given, so we have to find OQ as well as PQ, so that we can find sin Q and cos Q. Okay. So using Pythagoras theorem, we can write OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Okay. And here given OQ minus PQ equal to 1, which implies that OQ is equal to, you take right side, then 1 plus PQ you get. Now you write 1 plus PQ in the place of OQ. Okay. So 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to OP square plus PQ square, right side remains same. Then you know A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So here A is 1, B is equal to PQ. So 1 square 1, PQ square plus 2AB, 2 into 1 into PQ. Okay. And right side remains same. Now you see PQ square left side, right side also, you can cancel them. Okay. Why? If you take this right side, then minus PQ square. Okay, so pq square minus pq square is equal to how much? Give you 0. Okay, that's why they are cancelled. Same, then 1 1 pq square cancel, so 2pq is equal to op square. Okay, see here op is equal to 7 centimeter given. Now you put in this equation. Okay, then you get 1 plus 2 pq is equal to op is your 7, so 7 square, that is equal to 49. Okay, now you take 1 right side, then 49 minus 1, that is equal to 48. Okay, so 2pq is equal to 49 minus 1 and 2pq is equal to 48 and pq is equal to 48 by 2. Okay, you take 2 right side, so 48 by 2, so pq is equal to 24 centimeter. So pq we got 24 centimeter. Now you find OQ. Okay, OQ is equal to what? 1 plus PQ. 1 plus PQ. Okay, so OQ is equal to 1 plus 24, that is equal to 25. So OQ is equal to 25 centimeter. So PQ 24, OQ 25 centimeter. Now we got 3 sides of a right angle triangle OPQ. Now we can easily get sin Q and cos Q, and you know that sin theta p by h, here p is, for this angle p is this OP, and base PQ, hypotenuse OQ. Okay, so here sin Q is equal to p by h, p by OP by OQ, that is 7 by 25. Okay, similarly cos Q, b by h, here b is PQ by h OQ. Okay, PQ is your how much? 24 and OQ 25. So sin Q is equal to 7 by 25 and cos Q is equal to 24 by 25. Okay, thank you my very dear friends for watching this video. Arise, awake and stop not until the goal is reached. Thank you.